Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel, The Employment Box. Friends, Bank of Baroda has released various vacancies, a total of 511 vacancies. We'll discuss everything like the age criteria, eligibility, in terms of experience, qualification, everything. The only thing you have to do is stay connected with us till the end of the video. And in case you like the video, please share it. And if you need such kind of updates in future, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Now friends, this is official notification released by Bank of Baroda. I will provide the link of official notification in the description box. The online registration has been started from 9th of April and is valid till 29th of April. By or before 29th of April, the candidate who is willing to apply for this recruitment should have filled the application form along with payment as well. Now, the general instruction given to candidate is they have to regularly visit this website in case any information is provided by the bank, and the email ID you are providing while filling the application form should be correct, because all kind of contact done by bank to the candidates who are applying for this recruitment will be done via mail only. So please ensure to enter correct mail ID. Then talking about the post and vacancies, a total 11 posts are there, which are bifurcated into various vacancies. Talking about first post, senior relationship manager, a total of 407 vacancies are there. Age criteria as on 1st of April is the candidate must be eligible if his age is in between 24 to 35. Now relaxation is provided, uh, not to open an EWS candidate, but for OBC it is 3 years and for SC and ST it is 5 years. Education qualification must be uh, a, a candidate who is applying for senior relationship manager must possess a degree, uh, graduation in any discipline from a university recognized by a government of India, government bodies or AICTE. A desirable qualification will be 2 years of full-time post-graduation degree, diploma in management, and regulatory certification, for example, NISM, IRDA, etc. Now, work experience of candidate who is applying for senior relationship manager must possess a 3 years of experience, minimum 3 years of experience as relationship manager in wealth management with public, bank, or any of the disciplines, any of the fields mentioned over here. And the candidate must be having knowledge of the local language. For example, if a candidate is willing to apply for Mumbai region, he must be uh, comfortable, or he must be having knowledge of that particular region. Then talking about e-wealth relationship manager, total of 50 vacancies are there. Age criteria is in between 23 to 35. Then education qualification is same as that of relationship manager, senior relationship manager, and for experience it is same. The only change is the number of years. Here minimum 2 years are required, whereas for senior relationship manager it was 3. Along with that, if you are not having experience in these relevant fields, then experience of 2 years in sales service of high value financial product through digital medium will also be applicable. Then territory head, 44 vacancies are there, minimum 27 years and maximum 40 years is the criteria for age. Education qualification same as that of senior relationship manager, and work experience, minimum 6 years of experience in relationship management and wealth management, out of which minimum 2 years as a team lead. Then again, knowledge of local language should be there with the candidate. Then group head, 6 vacancies are there, criteria is mentioned over here. Then education qualification same as that of senior relationship manager. Talking about work experience, minimum 10 years of experience in managing sales in wealth management, retail banking, investments in the financial service industry. Also should have managed a large team of relationship manager and team leads at regional level at least for 5 years. Then talking about next vacancies, product head, investment and research, then head operations and technology, digital sales manager, IT functional analyst manager. These four posts are having one vacancies each. Age criteria is mentioned in notification, education qualification and work experience as well. So go through it. Then talking about the bifurcation of vacancies region wise, it is given for senior relationship manager. Ahmedabad 30 vacancies, Allahabad 6. Mumbai is having the most vacancy. Then for e-wealth relationship manager, all the 50 vacancies are given to Mumbai. Then for territory head and rest all the posts are mentioned over here. Then reservation bifurcation of vacancies as per the reservation is given over here. Then talking about reservation, as we had discussed it earlier, for PWD, that is person with disability, general or EWS candidate will be given 10 years of relaxation, OBC candidate 13, and 15 years for SC and ST, whereas ex servicemen will be given 5 years of uh, relaxation. Then person ordinarily domiciled in the state of JNK during the period of 1st January 1980 to 31st of December 1989 will also be provided 5 years of relaxation. Then remuneration of fixed salary will be given on the basis of qualification of the candidate or as per the policy of bank. And in from post number 1 to 4, which is mentioned in notification, the candidates will be eligible for performance linked variable, which will be over and above the fixed salary but linked to the achievement of specific targets. Now, nature of employment is contractual here for a period of 5 years, which will be extended, which can be extended at the option of bank. Selection procedure will be like there will be a round selection round organized by the bank, which can be a PI, that is personal interview, or GD group discussion, or any other mode. So there's no any fixed mode of selection mentioned over here by the bank, and the bank reserves the right to change, to add or cancel or modify any of the criteria method of selection. Then the bank also reserves the right to call the candidates in a ratio for the selection, and then minimum qualifying marks for open is 60%, and for SC, OBC and PWD it is 55 marks. However, this can be changed and the bank has the right to modify it as well. Then methodology for selection for the post of territory head and senior relationship manager. Applications will have to be submitted location wise from the candidates. Shortlisting will be done, and the tentative number of vacancies for each location is as listed above, which we had discussed, like bifurcation of the post region wise. Then interview will be conducted. Then the candidate should apply to the official link, which I will be providing in notification description box. Then guidelines for filling online application, you have to visit this site to fill the form. Then go through this, important points are given. Then payment of fees 600 for general and OBC candidate, and which is GST is applicable to it. Then 100 rupees for SC, ST, PWD and women candidates. Then general information, the selected candidates will be required to sign an employment contract. Security bond will be there. Then candidates should satisfy themselves about their eligibility for the post applied for as on cut-off date 1st of April, and also ensure that the particulars furnished by him or her are correct in all respect. So go through the general information thoroughly. And the next important point is the candidate here role is given, roles and responsibility. So candidate who are willing to apply for the position of any position mentioned in notification must go through it. Here responsibilities and roles are given. Then After that, photograph image, the photograph which the candidate is going to upload online in the application form, this file should be within 20 kb to 200 kb. Dimension are given, so ensure that the specification should be same as that of mentioned in notification. Same is applicable for signature, and after that you have to upload the documents which are mentioned in application form. And then after that, see, forms for reserve candidate, they have to fill this form as well. Then for other backward classes, that is OBC candidates, have to fill this form. Then after that, income certificate, this also should be filled. After that, a disability certificate, if any person is disabled, then he have to fill the certificate as well. After that, okay, after that, okay, that's it. So this is a golden opportunity. Hope the deserved candidate will be able to convert it. And if you like this video, please share it and subscribe the channel for more updates. Thank you.